As I start my 21st year of test driving cars for a living, I find myself in a pensive mood. And because I receive a lot of messages regarding career advice, I figured, why not share some of my car review video tips with you? Because I want you to succeed, I have developed 5 simple rules to live by for foolproof success when producing your car review video. Do not express your own opinion. This will just lead to unnecessary criticism of your work and alienate you from the big dogs that you really want to be running with. So before you speak, go watch Bobby Superstar's video first and listen to what he has to say about the car you're test driving. Then simply mimic his take. That way, when your viewers come back and claim that your opinion is complete crap, you can point back to the big guy's video as a Loctite alibi. Don't waste too much time gathering your thoughts. It's a complete waste of time. And the upside is that your car review, which only needs to be about 5 minutes or so, can balloon up to 20 minutes or even longer, as you demonstrate a stream of consciousness that will leave your viewers mesmerized. Remember, your video will be viewed around the world, and as such, you'll need to occasionally adjust your lexicon in order to appear credible. For example, your European audience needs to hear you say 2 things: bloody and rubbish. If you can get those 2 words out at least a dozen times in one review, you have a small chance of credibility with those viewers. But here's a pitfall. When reviewing that British car named after a cat, you'd better lose your American pronunciation. No, it doesn't matter that they pronounce tomato tomato. You just have to suck up your pride and say it like they want to hear it. Hipster beards, glasses, and skinny jeans are nearly essential for the success of a good host. As you can see, I'm still struggling with this one myself. But the more you can appear like Daryl from the Verizon TV spots, the more success you will certainly have. And lastly, when a manufacturer offers you money in exchange for a favorable review, you take it. You've got to fill your bags, man. And plus, your viewers are going to accuse you of payola one way or another, so you might as well profit from it. So get out there and start creating, and soon you too will be a successful car reviewer. Good luck. And if you would like to be notified each time I produce one of my really boring car reviews, please subscribe. Thanks.